We're just going to put a little dab on there. Hello, my name is Tom from Tom's Music Shop. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys how to replace valves on a bass reed block. So if you take a look here, you will see that these leather reeds have gotten old and they start to kind of peel away from the reeds. Some of them still work well, some of them don't anymore. So I'm going to just exhibit that to you. This one right here doesn't work anymore. This one still does. Let's take a look. That one's still fine. This one is not. So we're going to replace that one. This one also needs replacing. When you take these off, just make sure to get as much of the residue off as you can. Just going to use a screwdriver. Make sure not to get any residue inside the reed itself, or it won't sound anymore. That's no good. Okay. So next, I ordered up these these valves. If you can see here, the valves are different size. I had to cut them to size. It's often the case that you have to do a little bit of cutting to get them to be the right size. And I got this glue here, this Pattex classic glue. So this part is pretty easy, just put a little dab. We're just going to put a little dab on there. You can see that? Just a little dab. Set it on there gently, like that. It doesn't need too long to dry, and then you can start using it again. Looks like this one might need replacing too. Well, anyway, let's listen to see if this one sounds any better, because I don't want to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Sounds like the one inside also needs to be replaced. So, you can take a tweezers. I don't know how well you can see in there, but you can get the one off from the inside also. Now these ones on the inside, they are a bit more difficult to get in there. Got to use a tweezers. I like to use this type here. It's got a spring, it automatically holds the valve. Just like that. Then you can place it in there. Oh, I think I see what another problem was. There's something. This was stuck in there. That's probably why it sounded bad. Sometimes you find crap inside accordions. But we'll replace the valve anyway. Now it's seated in there. You probably can't see very well. You have to make sure it's in there straight and covering up the slit entirely. I also have one of these little tools, just kind of like for manipulating. Just press it down a little bit. Okay, let's see how it sounds now. Sounds good now. So thanks a lot for watching, and looking forward to seeing you next time at Tom's Music Shop. Goodbye.